Hey designers, are you ready to supercharge your workflow in Figma? Today I'm talking about an amazing resource that will transform your design process, which is Reloom.io. It's a sitemap builder and wireframe builder tool. It's literally a time-saving and game-changer tool. Okay, let's have a look on its intro. Basically, Reloom is a powerhouse for Figma. It offers massive library and pre-designed components. So it doesn't matter whether you're designing websites, apps, or prototype, Reloom has you covered. Okay, don't worry about it. We will discover it. We will see it after this practically. We have some features of it. Okay, so first one is Figma ready components. It accesses hundreds of beautifully crafted components directly in Figma. So no need to start from scratch, just drag and drop and go. The second one is instant sitemap generation. So you just have to put the description like e-commerce website with categories for electronics, fashion, and home decor. And this tool generates a detailed sitemap. What a easy task. And not only this, it also provides you customization like editable nodes. Each page node can be renamed, moved, or expanded with subpages or customization. Don't worry about it. We will cover it. We will see it in practically after this. Okay, then we have smart wireframe creation. In a single click, you can generate a whole wireframe for your whole project. So you just have to type a command like, for example, create a home page with a hero section, navigation bar, and call to action, and the tool generates a wireframe layout. And then we have export and sharing options. Export sitemaps and wireframes as PDF, PNGs, or integrate directly with design tools like Figma or Adobe XD. And then we have real-time collaboration. It provides you multiple team members can input commands or edit wireframes simultaneously. So it's the interface of Reload. If you don't have an account, first you have to sign up. So because I have an account, so I will go to this launch and click on this new project. Okay, I have also created this one. So here you have to just describe your idea, describe your project, and it will build a sitemap and also wireframe of this. Okay, so I have a command for this one. Let's copy this and paste it over here. Okay, and then we have to tell about the number of pages. So I have 5 to 10 English and click on generate sitemap. And here it's generating the whole sitemap for your project. In a single click, you have the whole sitemap for your project. How easy it is. So as you can see, it generates a home page like we have navbar, hero header section, feature list section. We can also it's all the customized content. We can copy, change color, duplicate it, delete it, benefit section, and if we want add more section like we can, for example, we have a page of shop and we click on generate content and it's generating for the shop page, and same like for about us section, generate content, it's generating for the about us page, and then contact us page. When we click on this generate content, it will generate the content for contact us page section. Okay, so it's literally a time savior and also it's a game changer tool. And not only we have sitemap, when we click on this wireframe, so all the sitemap we have built recently, it's generating the wireframe for it. Too good, yeah. It's literally it's amazing tool. So here as you can see, it's generating the wireframe for the whole sitemap. So it helps you save time, focus on creativity, and above all, skip the repetitive tasks. So it's like having a professional design assistant ready to help you deliver faster and better results. Please check it out. If you're a Figma designer and you have got to check out Reloom.io, it's a game changer for boosting your productivity and achieving stunning design. Let me know in the comments if you have tried it or if you are excited to give it a go.